Happy Dussehra, everybody. Thank you for coming back and watching my vlog. Today is Dussehra. It's already 5 p.m. right now. We are done with our morning pujas and everything, but we'll be doing the Shondhe, which is the evening aarti again right now. So I'm actually heading to the temple room. We'll be quickly doing the floral decoration, basically offering flowers to God, offering the bhog that mom has prepared. And once all of that is done, we have like a small a dinner planned, intimate dinner, just my parents and I. And yeah, that's the plan for the Dussehra. We are not stepping out because it's gonna be really crowded outside. So we are planning like a post Durga Puja dinner once the city settles down a bit and the roads are not really crowded. For today, as I said, it's a home dinner. And yeah, let me take you with me. Let me show you the temple, the home mandir actually, once I have decorated it with flowers and bhog. And then let me show you the dinner table that I have set for our kind of a house party. So let's go. So the puja and aarti is finally done and we are now heading to the table. This is the dining table that I've set for 3 people. That's my mom, my dad and I. And we're gonna have dinner here. Basically bhog ka prasad that mom has cooked. So we have, puri kachori, we have sabzi, we have chenar payash, which is ideally a Bengali sweet, which is like the most amazing sweet you'll ever have. It's a dessert actually. We have some sandesh, we have kheer that I have partially cooked, though a lot of things in that has already been done by mom. But yeah, and here we come. My mom and dad are ready and they're now just gonna arrive for the dinner. Happy Navratri! Thanks for watching. A very happy Dussehra to all of you. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.